This is a government that is sleeping in a bed with Al-Shabaab. This is the government who has never condemned the Al-Shabaab forces so far.
Ambassador, we've heard from you. Ambassador Sam?
I'm very sorry to say that he is still in the dark. There was a BBC report
Asking
yesterday.
the ambassador to condemn Al-Shabaab.
Please.
One moment. He has condemned Al-Shabaab. Okay, all right. Let him finish.
Please let me finish. It is not.
Carry on,
we are not
Ambassador
in a
Sam.
bar. We are not in
Carry
a bar.
on,
We are in
Ambassador
front
Sam.
of people.
Ambassador Sam, please
People
carry
are
on.
viewing at us. They have killed 400 Oromos, peaceful protesters in Ethiopia. I think
This is an absolute lie.
Please, it was a BBC
It's an
report.
absolute lie. This is a government of 7 million people, whom half of the people are fled in the country.
Why does it
So the
let
Oromia
them-
protests and the
roaming-
killings did not happen?
If
Even Ethiopia,
ambassador
even-
degenerates to talk about the internal situations of Ethiopia.
even Minister Getachew Reda.
But you are also talking about the
This is a country of 7
internal-
million people
Okay.
who have
Ambassador
young
said you
youths
are also
flooding.
speaking about the internal matters of Eritrea.
But let's
You're
forget
calling the
that.
Eritrean regime
Otherwise,
tyrant.
this is Ethiopia is a proud country. It's a country of 100 million people.
Right.
These are the people who even could not manage under 10 million people. This is half of the
How
youth.
so? How so?
Keep your
How
your
so?
hands with you, okay?
How so?
Keep your hands.
How
just
so?
like, speak like me, like this.
How so,
And they-
Ambassador said?
no,
But that is what I'm
He
saying.
is-
Because
no,
that is
he
what. Do you know the
he is in
immigration
fact,
policy?
I'm very sorry to say so. He is in fact, not from the Tigrayan regime. He is from, in fact, his own people are dying. He's an Oromo.
Look,
his own people are dying.
look,
Because
this-
if you go too far, I will go too far. You have served even the Mangustu regime.
No,
you
no,
have been
that
insulting.
is- that is
you have
not-
been insulting this very regime.
That is
Gentlemen,
not-
you
that
have
is
been
not-
insulting this very
that is
regime.
not the
was-
case.
No,
That is
Why
not-
do you go too far? If you go too far, I will go
The
far.
Your
ambassador is
Excellency.
degenerating.
Your Excellency.
No, these people, they are not living at peace with their own people. They have killed so many
I'm an Oromo.
protesters.
You cannot speak for the Oromos.
Okay, we'll
I
have you
can
speak for the Oromos in just
But
a
is
moment.
this-
All right, we'll have you
Is
speak
it
for the Oromos.
about, are you talking
Ambassador
about the
Sid?
internal affairs of
Why
Ethiopia?
do
Or
you speak about our internal affairs?
What
You
did-
started it.
who-
You said
who
we are a
started?
tyranny government.
You started.
You said we can.
Who started?
Your Excellencies.
The question
Your
was
Excellency,
this.
I'm so sorry. We have run out of time. I'm really sorry. Ambassador Dina
Give
Mufti
me that
said,
1 minute.
thank you very much. Ambassador Bayani
Give me
Rasool,
that 1 minute,
I'm
okay?
sorry,
Because
we've run out
I
of
hope,
time, Ambassador Rasool.
I dream
Ambassador, please.
that this minority government will come into its senses.
This is a government
And
who has never known
Ambassador,
elections
please,
for
Your
years.
Excellencies, I'm
This is
sorry,
a
I have to
government
leave
who
it
has
at that.
been
This is one
killing
more-
its
one-
people.
my-
We
Then he's
thank you
talking
for
about the
watching
money.
Worldview. Ambassadors, Your Excellencies, please, we have to conclude it at that. Thank you both for your time. We hope